Landing pages are a super way to be able to communicate large volumes of information with a student in a way through Gecko that can be instantly controlled by you, instantly shared by you, and personalized to the student reading it. If that sounds good to you, this is definitely a video to watch. Let's begin by navigating to landing pages, and here we'll see a list of all of our available landing pages. Existing landing pages can be cloned, deleted, or viewed very, very simply. To build a new landing page, we're going to click New Landing Page in the top right hand corner and give this a title. Let's say Campus Visit. We can also tell Gecko whether or not to publish this immediately or not, and this can be changed later. Let's click Next, which will create our landing page, and then we have a blank canvas onto which to put whatever information we want. Now, landing pages have a number of different options available to them. They always come with a fixed header block, as seen here at the top, that can be edited and customized in a ton of different ways, showing social media links with text, different subtitles, changing the images, the color overlay as well, if applicable. You also get to do exactly the same with the footer block. In between, however, you get free reign over what to put. And Gecko landing pages support a number of different types of content. You can embed any of your forms. So for example, if we pick a Gecko form that we have set up, let's go maybe for a registration form. You can also add text and customize the appearances of these. You can see here's our form. And you're also able to embed any maps or content / images as applicable. So a lot of malleability over what you can actually choose to include. Once you've customized your page, you're happy with it, how it looks, you can click the edit button on the right hand side where you can edit the URL of the page that you're creating, add any links that the social media icons will link to, and alter any global settings such as the color or any Google tag analytics information, as well as being able to reorder blocks very, very simply. One really nice bit of functionality here, as I mentioned earlier, is that these can be fully templatized. So, for example, if we wanted the very first thing the student sees when they come onto the page was to say, welcome to Gecko University, and then whatever the student's name is. We could simply put in an attribute here, so we'll maybe call this student name, and we'll surround this, as with mail merge tags, with curly braces. When we come to sharing the link with the student, and publishing this, it generates a sharing link. Now, if we open this, it's not going to show any name there, but if we choose to share the link to our landing page, and the attribute name here is student_name, if we choose to share this and we say student name equals, in this case, Johnny, it's going to pull through the information, which means that basically any attribute that you hold in Gecko can be used to absolutely fill in the page accordingly. Now, of course, you wouldn't manually type this out for each student. You'd say contact.fullname.firstname, for example. So it's dynamically going to fill in this variable with whatever the student has. But that's a video for a different time on mail merge tags, which I'll include in the link to this article below. So template tags are incredibly simple. This is our link that we can share with people. This can then be emailed out, it can be texted out, and is a really easy way for you to share tons of information with students in no time.